Good morning, Managing Director, Mr. Comunication, and senior members of the board of the meeting. I deem it a privilege of having this opportunity to speak to you today. I'm Nishani Jayasuriya, the Senior Manager of Human Resource Department of Aspiration Media Company. Today, I'm here to present about success of the training course of team building through a video. Before I proceed, I'd like to give you an overview of the company past events. Instead of adapting to working together for the betterments of the company, the arbitrary activism of administrative and supportive staff, contrary to the motto of "We are ready to serve you differently," has directly affected the reputation and the productivity of the company. Therefore, the HR department decided to find quick solution to this situation within the company. As such, successful step this team building course can be pointed out. First and foremost, I would like to draw attention to the purpose of this course. Over the past few months, based on the customer feedback and complaints, our department has focused on a number of issues. The identified issues are lack of cooperation, poor communication, lack of creativity, and lack of team spirit. So the Department of Human Resource decided to conduct this team building course for the administrative and supportive staff to overcome this problem and enhance the productivity and reputation of the company while building sense of team. The key objective of our training course were identify and develop personal skills to become a more effective team member, improve team communication, ability to show unique creative abilities, and identify team strength and opportunity for improvement. Once the training course was planned, we received the date, time, and venue for it. It took place at Hotel Jetwin Blue, Nigambu on 28th of February 2021. The program was planned as a one-day program from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the event was attended by 30 members of the administrative and supportive staff. As planned according to the agenda, the program was divided into 4 sessions. At the first session, we welcomed the participants, then introduced the background and significance of team building. After the morning tea break, the second session began and they had the opportunity to share within the groups their personal experiences of recent activities to break this monotony. Thereafter, we focused on the first activity. The third session started after lunch and they had to participate in 2 activities to break their indolence. At the final session, participants were asked about their experience of their entire training program and presented with certificates for their participation and awarded prizes for encouraging winning teams to participate in the activities. There are 4 main topics covered in this course, such as what is team building, why team building is important, where we can use team spirit, and what are the benefits of the teamwork. Now, I will describe the content of these topics. According to the first topic, introduce team building as a management technology used to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of work groups through various activities, and secondly, explain its importance. Individual we are one drop, together we are an ocean. This derives more about team spirit. The main condition for team building is that everyone should work together. Therefore, importance of team building activities were enhancing team performance, make a decision and solve problems, build up the trust, increase collaboration and effective communication. Thirdly, we discuss where we can use this team spirit. Well, team spirit isn't just limited to interact with other staffs. It also extended to dealing with customers, partners, and vendors. It is an attitude that enables people work well together, so this team building spirit support to solve issues within the organization, help a co-worker with a big project by share several tasks and help them complete the task more efficiently. Passing down knowledge, team spirit can be shown when communicate well within managers, customers and external stakeholders. Then finally, we explain the benefits of working as a team. The benefits are increasing productivity, more identify and creativity, high quality outcomes, effective communication, build trust, quicker solutions. Let's move to the next part of this course. According to the team building course, several activities were carried out to further development it. The first activity was blindfold communication and it was conducted from 11:30 am to 12 noon. The purpose of this activity was to develop the process of trust and communication with each other. The activity was attended by 25 out of 30 members and each group was divided into small groups of 5 people per group. Next, we held second activity from 1:30 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. It was called the moonwalk activity. The purpose of this activity was to develop spirit of team interaction, cooperation and decision-making skill. Here it was attended by all the members and each group consists of large group of 10 members. Finally, we held third activity from 2:30 p.m. to 3:15 p.m. and it was called as the Decode the Brand. The purpose of this activity was to develop the creativity as a team and improve planning skill. There were 5 small groups of 6 members each. At the end of each of this activity, each team shared their experience of teamwork. There was some financial cost to this program and it was outlined as follows. Here we can see the chart illustrating the total cost of program including venue reservation, food and beverage, transportation, certificates and awards and tokens. According to that, overall this event we spent 16,000 rupees. I will now move into the important part of this page. Due to this state of crisis, we conduct a customer satisfaction survey to assess employee behavior. These criteria illustrate 4 elements such as collaboration, communication, creativity, and team spirit. As a result of that, the data obtained by our department in the pie chart is as follows. Here is a brief overview of customer feedback before and after the team building course. According to customer feedback before team building course, 79% of said their behavior needed to be improved and 21% said their behavior was satisfactory. Afterward, after the team building course, 85% of customer feedback was satisfactory about employee behavior. Here, when comparing these two pie charts, this reflects the increased customer satisfaction with the company employee behavior. In the same way, the HR department evaluates the behavior of employees. Let's focus on evaluation of behavior of employees. Here you can see progress of pre and post evaluation of employees' behavior before and after conducting a team building course. This bar chart compares evaluation of various factors that makes a difference in the performance of an employee due to their behavior. As a result of the team building course, compared to the previous behavior of the employees, communication skills between administrative and supportive staff have increased by 59%, collaboration for any activity increased 49%, creativity increased 47%, and team spirit increased 50%. Due to this team building course, approximately 60% of the employees' behaviors shows a positive change compared to previous behaviors. After considering these evaluations, The HR department assumed that the team building course was successful. The training is success because the administrative and supportive staff work together diligently and efficiently. It shows the tendency to work in a team spirit. In complex tasks, they collaborate with each other. Employees within each department are actively searching for useful information and sharing that with each others. The performance and creativity improved as a result of mutual motivation. Well, that is all I have for today. Let me now summarize what I talked about. Team building course was successfully completed while achieving the desired objectives of cooperation, communication, creativity, and team spirit. The employees learn as a leader or member to work in a team spirit, to develop mutual support, to build creativity, and to communicate with each other. It was able to increase the level of customer satisfaction with employee behavior. By doing so, the company was able to enhance its reputation and productivity. Team building is important in enhancing a work environment. However, I recommended that this type of training session should be continued to build motivation and create a good sense of teamwork among staff. That's all about my presentation. Once again, I thank you for the courtesy of your attention. Thank you.